Dreaming of studying in the UK? From world-famous universities like Oxford, Cambridge, UCL, Imperial, Edinburgh, Manchester, and many more, the UK is one of the most popular study destinations for international students. In this video, I'll walk you through the main steps to apply to a UK university. I'm Luisa, and this is the show where you get action-packed guidance on where to study, what to study, and how to actually afford it. Plus, real student stories from around the world. Quick context. What is study portals and why should you care? Study portals is an ecosystem that helps students make the best study choice for free. We have platforms like bachelorportal.com, mastersportal.com, phdportal.com, where you can filter programs by tuition fees, major, country, rankings, check which scholarships are available for you, and find step-by-step guides. You can also use our AI advisor, Sophia, to ask questions about studying abroad in different countries, comparing programs, or understanding what might fit your goals. And if you create an account, you will get personalized insights like application timelines and if you're eligible for scholarships. And before we get into the steps, I want to share with you a very cool opportunity, the Study Portal Scholarship, which is a 10,000 grant to help students study abroad. And what makes it different is that it's not just about grades, but it's about your story. And you can check out this video on everything that you need to know to apply for it and how to write a strong motivational letter. Now let's get into the UK application process. First, choose your university and your program. Start by deciding what you want to study and where you want to study. Do you want to live in a big city like London or Manchester, or would you prefer a smaller student city? You can search for programs on Bachelor's Portal and Master's Portal, for universities, tuition fees, scholarships, admission requirements, and remember also to always double check the official university website. For undergraduate degrees, you can use the platform UCAS for most UK's bachelor's programs. Next, understand how the applications work. As I said, if you're applying for a bachelor, then you need to go through UCAS, and the portal lets you apply up to 5 courses with one application. If you're applying for a master's degree instead, you will need to go through the official university website directly. So for bachelor's, UCAS, and for master's, direct application. Now we need to check the entry requirements. For undergraduate degrees, university usually ask for your high school diploma or an equivalent to justify those qualifications. Some courses might also require specific courses, minimum grades, admission tests, interviews, or a portfolio. For master's program instead, you will need a bachelor's degree that needs to be relevant, academic transcripts, and sometimes work experience depending on the program. If English is not your first language, then you will need qualifications such as IELTS, TOEFL, PTE academic. Remember to check the specifics on the university website. Now, let's talk about dates. For the 2027 entry, the main deadline for most UCAS undergraduate programs is the 13th of January at 6 p.m. UK time. This is the equal consideration deadline, which means that all the applications that are going to arrive by the particular date are going to be considered equally. However, if you're applying for Oxford, Cambridge, medicine, and some other specific degrees, then there is an early deadline on the 15th of October. So don't wait until the last minute. Check your exact course dates and work backwards. Next, prepare your documents. You may need your academic transcripts, your diploma, and your proof of English, as I already mentioned, but also your passport, a reference letter, a motivational letter, a CV, or a personal statement. Some courses, as I said, may also ask for a portfolio, an admission test, or an interview. For the motivational letter or personal statement and the interview, you can check out this video that we had with a Cambridge graduate, where she went into depth about her interview and about her motivational letter, and she gives you a lot of very useful tips. So definitely check it out. I'm gonna link it up here somewhere. Once your documents are ready, submit your application. From undergraduate degrees, you will submit your application through UCAS, and from there, you're gonna receive an unconditional or conditional offer. If you get a conditional offer, you might need to satisfy some grade requirements to be fully accepted. If it's unconditional, you're in. It doesn't matter what you get, let's say at your high school final exam. And an unconditional offer basically means that you meet already the requirements. For master's degrees instead, you will usually get updates directly to your email from the official universities. And finally, prepare your student visa. Once you accept an offer, do a CAS, which stands for Confirmation of Acceptance for Studies. And you need to apply for a UK student visa. The UK student visa currently costs £558, and you will also need to pay the healthcare surcharge as part of the application. You also will need to show that you have enough money to sustain yourself, and the current financial requirement is £1,529 £1,071 per month for a course and £1,171 for courses outside of London. Always check out the official government websites. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Remember to check out the interview for the Cambridge graduate, and also check out this video now to write a strong motivational letter that we did for the Study Portal scholarship, and apply for it if you're interested. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!